chilling?
Hanging out.
Really? No kidding. You got a lot to say, River.
Getting too slouchy there.
You and that camera of yours.
Yes. Something about cromulent.
I wholeheartedly agree.
River, you're so cromulent.
She's already a camera hand.
Hey, face. Hey, little face. Look at this little face. Look at this little face. He's so cute. He's so cute. Look at this little face. So cute. She looks baffled. Use those appies. Use those apples. Oh, try again. Here, hold on to mama. There you go. Whoop. Oh, is that so? Excuse me.
What's up, River? Yeah, you show that elephant who's boss.
What did you eat?
Oh, you don't say. You know, you won't be able to get away with that sort of language for long. Enjoy your infantry while it lasts. Or perhaps not infantry, but maybe infantry. Maybe you'll have infantry when you get older. You try to take a step? See if you can take a step. That was pretty close. You want to try another one? You're actually pretty good at that. You'll be the square dancingest baby at the hoedown this year. Look at that.
Hi, River.
Can you walk, River? You're so big.
She totally keeps trying to take steps.
That's so cute.
You're so big. Look how big you are walking over here.
Oh, almost.
Think you can do another one? See if you can try another one. Let's see if we can get you over to Daddy. Here you go. Let's see if we can maybe grab onto this thing. There you go. See if you can hold yourself up. What's that thing? He's furry and confused by you.
He looks at me like, fix it!
What's it doing?
It's attacking me, and then he runs away. You're a coward, Wiggles. It's just a baby.
We were at the back in the produce section, and I totally said "awesome" right as there was a Japanese chick walking by.
What did you say?
She just started laughing at me. I felt like a retard.
Oh, that's great.
Save him.
What's that scary sound?
Scary music.
It's Ruddy Mysterious.
A huge he must be. Oh, what happens when you
Hey, River. Hey, you. What's your name?
There's Dry Bones. He's in like 8th place now.
fabulous. I just need technical glory. Wow. You have to hit next.
You got toes there, River. What are you gonna do with all those toes?
She's got big plans.